When a ticket gets escalated to engineering, does anyone actually track how long it sits there? Most support teams have no idea, and that's how SLAs get missed without anyone taking responsibility. Group SLA policies in Zendesk fix that, and here's exactly how to set them up. You probably already know regular SLAs. They measure how fast you respond to customers. Group SLAs are completely different. They track how long a specific internal team holds a ticket, creating accountability between your own teams rather than just toward the customer. Group SLAs only track one thing: ownership time. That's the clock from when a ticket lands in a group to when they either solve it or pass it on to another team. If the ticket gets reopened, a fresh clock starts for whoever holds it. Before you can create group SLA policies, a few things need to be in place. You need a Zendesk Enterprise plan. This feature is not available on professional or lower tiers. You also need your groups already created and the default priority field active on your tickets. Head to Admin Center, then go to Objects and Rules, Venubles, Business Rules, and Service Level Agreements. Once there, you will see two tabs: SLA policies for customer-facing metrics and Group SLAs for internal tracking. Click the Group SLAs tab. Click Create Policy and give it a clear descriptive name. Something like Tier 2 Support Ownership Time or Finance Approval SLA tells your team exactly which group this covers and what it measures. Add an optional description to help teammates understand which tickets are included. In the Conditions section, select the group this policy applies to. You can include multiple groups if they share the same time targets. Just remember, policies are applied top to bottom, so more specific ones need to sit above general ones in the list. Now set your ownership time targets for each priority level. If you do not have historical data yet, start with the 2-4-8-16 rule: 2 hours for urgent, 4 for high, 8 for normal, and 16 for low. Run these for a month, then adjust based on real performance numbers. After saving, drag your new policy into the correct position in the list. Zendesk reads policies from top to bottom, and the first one that matches a ticket is the one that applies. Specific policies like Finance Group High Priority need to sit above broad ones like All Groups Default. Group SLAs work especially well in 4 scenarios: Tier 1 to Tier 2 escalations, finance approval workflows, IT help desk routing, and multi-region handoffs across time zones. Each scenario gets its own policy with targets that reflect what is actually realistic for that team. A few things separate group SLAs that help from ones that frustrate your team. Always link business hours to your schedules so agents are not penalized for off-hours time, and use triggers to set priority automatically before any SLA applies. Review your targets every quarter against actual breach data and adjust when needed. Group SLAs measure your handoff times, but eesel AI can help you reduce them. The AI agent handles common tickets instantly, so fewer issues ever reach Tier 2 or Finance in the first place. The AI Copilot drafts replies from your knowledge base in seconds, helping agents meet ownership time targets without the research time. If you want to skip the manual grind and let AI handle the routine work, eesel AI connects directly to Zendesk with a one-click install. Test it in simulation mode first and see the impact on your SLA numbers before you go live. Head to eesel.ai to start your free 7-day trial, no credit card required.